Hello guys, I'm back again with another video. Okay, today I'm going to discuss about this issue about some Python packages being uploaded in the PY respiratory, and it is worrying because some of these packages or Python modules have backend codes, malware, that is. When you install them, they exploit your privacy in a such a way that some of them take away credentials, your logins, your API keys, and such kind of keys. Okay, I got one question here. How often do you check for the backend code of these beautiful and enticing Python packages that always simplifies your work while coding? I have seen this notion in the programming ecosystem or community that copy paste always works, and in this case it's kind of the same thing where you just pip install the package and then you initialize it, and it makes your work easier. Yeah, it speeds up your work, but do you always check what the backend code work, or what is it doing? Okay, my guess is as good as yours. Most of the people just use the gentleman word agreement. It is safe, then we continue, launch our CMD, we install as this. Maybe for example, let's say pip install backdoor. Yeah, and what next? You're going to import your backdoor code. Then from there, let's assume, yeah, you have to initialize your code. What are you going to do? You initialize your backdoor code, and then what next? It responds back to the C2, which is and control. Now, but on contrary, there are always breaches of the agreement amongst us. Now this is where don't trust and verify phrase come into play. Allow the tech news. Yeah, now I'm going to just mention a few of the highlighted Python packages, of which they have been removed, but I'll just mention them and highlight what they have been doing when you install them. Okay, they have been found to be having a backdoor code which aids them to harvest critical data such as passwords and API tokens. I will start with this package, ASCII2 text. As you can see here, ASCII2 text. This module or Python package, what it was doing when you install it through pip or some other means. For example, you cloned it from GitHub. It was downloading a nefarious script that would gather Microsoft Edge details, or for example, for those people who usually store their password on the web browsers. Yeah, it will, when you install it through people through running the script, It will then download a backdoor script that will gather all your password information or cookies that is have been stored in your browsers. Yeah. Next one is this freenet VPN or freenet VPN 2 and win RPC exploit, which was it was stealing user credentials and environment variables. This one here, just as a cynic and Zella something. This one is funny because it was executing a malicious code during installation. Imagine when you hit that pip. Let's assume here pip install as a cynic. By just doing so, it then execute that malicious code during installation, and you will not notice. Then it will start harvesting those details in your machine. The next one, browser diff. This one was capable of collecting credentials and information saved in the web browser's local storage folder. How can this nefarious package get to be? How on earth? Imagine. For example, let's assume this was aiding you to maybe to automate browser opening, and instead, yes, maybe let's assume it was opening, but at the end it was also scooping or gathering your information which you have saved in your browsers, maybe even cookies. At the end of the day, you start seeing these exploits and you wonder, was my data leaked? How? Then this kind of packages. The last one to highlight, PyG utilities, PyMox, and PyProtocol 2. This one was well designed to steal users' Amazon Web Service credentials. How on earth? I just say these kind of breachers. End result, man. Always remember to verify. Okay, as you go there trying to download those Python packages, always make sure you review that code line by line. Make sure it doesn't have those malicious code, or it is not contacting another server when you install it. Take care, take caution. Always stay safe. Goodbye and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Let us grow together. Ideas.